Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today I share with you how to enable the profile picture on your contact. Okay, to enable the contact or to add the profile picture on your contact, you only have to do is follow my tutorial. But before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay guys, let's start. Before we start, or to enable your profile picture on your contact, okay, the first thing you can do is go to setting. In your setting, scroll down and find the system application. Click the system application. In system application, find the contact and click this. Okay, in contact, find the show contacts profile feature. You will see beside here the enable button or switch on button. You can switch on this. Okay guys, go to your contact and you can now add a profile picture on your contact. Okay guys, for my example, this is my contact number, so I decide to add a profile picture on this. This is my tutorial. So okay guys, this is my example tutorial. So you only have to do the click the number you want to, or click your contact you want to add a profile picture. So okay, this is my tutorial, this is my number. Then to add a profile picture, you can click the edit portion on the upper right side on your cell phone screen, and you all have to do is click edit. Now you will see the information about your contact. You will see the name, you can add last name or workplace, and the mobile number on your contact. You can add a number or you can add an email, but on this tutorial I will show you how to add a profile picture on your contact. This is the tutorial. So all you have to do is click the circle with a positive sign. So click this and you will see below the pop-up that select that take a photo or select a photo. You will see take a photo or select a photo. So I select a photo. So okay guys, I select on my gallery to add a profile picture on my contact. So you can drag this crop alignment or crop photo. So I decided, after you decide the crop photo, click the done on the upper right side on your cell phone screen, and now your contact we have a profile picture. So after that, you can click the save on the upper right side on your mobile screen, the save button. So okay guys, that's it, and now your contact have profile features. That's it guys, and thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay guys, that's it, and thank you for watching.